briefly outline about the IMRT program. My colleague has pointed out that we have embarked on a very challenging journey. However, this journey has started off a few years ago when Barsil, the parent promoting company, decided to venture into the growing metro rail industry, a completely new yet familiar territory. One of the key challenges they faced at that point of time was the scarcity of professionally qualified engineers experienced in the metro rail systems. This challenge is now being faced by most of the stakeholders in the industry. The postgraduate program in metro and rail technology was conceived as the answer to this challenge. Since 2011, when the Institute of Metro and Rail Technology was promoted, the institute has organized and successfully conducted various specialized training programs in railway and metro technology. This has given us an insight into the actual requirement for the industry, which otherwise would have been difficult to accurately assess. Our findings and analysis led us to the design of the first full-time one-year postgraduate program in metro and rail technology, which aims to groom the next generation of engineers capable of handling complex challenges in project management, systems assurance, interface, etc. This will be spearheaded by our faculty, a team of veteran railway and metro professionals who have taken great pains to put down a robust syllabus and develop learning materials right from the scratch. This program is divided into 4 terms, each with a special objective. The first term will be a common to all students, drawn from civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, production and industrial engineering disciplines. The remaining 3 terms will see them specializing in railway systems like track and civil structures, electrical and traction power systems, signaling and train control, telecommunication, rolling stock and mechanical systems. The program will culminate with a detailed industry project which the students have to undertake with an industry partner. IMRT has associated with the University of Delaware, USA, Reliability Engineering Center of IIT Kharagpur, Institute of Rail Technology at Monash University, Sydney, Institute of Urban Transport, India, for specialized areas like reliability engineering, wheel rail interface, operation and management, etc. We are also working closely with several key industry players to fine-tune the syllabus to match the exact industry requirement. Benjamin Franklin has said, and I quote, "Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn," unquote. This has been the guiding philosophy behind our program design process. The program design ensures that students get hands-on experience by way of real lifetime assignments, projects, case studies, etc. In addition to this, site visits to different construction and manufacturing sites will ensure exposure to industry practices. Today the general complaint against the engineering students is that they want spoon feeding. However, our engineering colleges do not allow them to hold the spoon. IMRT will aim to change this perception. The first batch of this program has been selected after a long-drawn selection process that commenced in January this year. Selection was done primarily on academic proficiency, extracurricular achievement, work experience, and interview with a select panel which included experts from industry. Our first batch comprises of 17 graduate engineers, including 2 lady candidates from different parts of the country. Our vision is to convert the ordinary into extraordinary.